In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer project ownership in Lovable AI, a skill that can be vital when you're collaborating with others or simply passing on the reins to a new project manager. First, we need to log into Lovable AI and open the specific project you want to transfer ownership of. This is the starting point for managing your project settings and ensuring you have the correct project in front of you. Once logged in, navigate directly to the list of your projects and select the one you wish to transfer. It's important to double check that you're in the right project since you'll be making significant changes to the ownership settings. After opening your project, the next step is to access the project settings or management area. This section is typically found in the project's sidebar menu or under a dedicated tab at the top. In project management, you have the ability to oversee various aspects of how your project is run and modify different settings relating to its operation. It's useful to familiarize yourself with this menu as it holds the key to transferring ownership. Inside the project management section, look for an option labeled Transfer Ownership. This feature is designed to facilitate the easy transfer of project control to another user. The placement of this option might vary slightly, depending on the version of the tool you're using, but it generally can be located within the administrative settings or sharing options. Once you've found the transfer ownership option, you'll be prompted to enter the email address or user ID of the individual who will take over the project. It's crucial to ensure this information is correct because this is how the system knows where to send the transfer notification and how to grant access to the new owner. Double check for any spelling errors to prevent any issues during the handover process. After inputting the recipient's information, proceed to confirm the transfer. This will usually involve a prompt or pop-up asking if you're sure about proceeding with such a significant change. It's wise to make certain all details are accurate before finalizing the action. Once confirmed, the new owner should be notified automatically by the system. Finally, you can notify the recipient directly to ensure they are aware of the change. This might involve a quick message or email letting them know that they should have received a notification from Lovable AI about their new ownership rights. The system will grant them full access and control over the project, signifying a successful transfer of responsibilities. Whether you initiated this change as part of a team adjustment or in response to organizational shifts, knowing how to transfer project ownership smoothly can help maintain continuity in the management process. And there you have it, the steps to transfer project ownership in Lovable AI.